In this episode of my finished projects, I'd like to share with you this doily. The pattern name is Gardenias from the designer Josie Ravier. The pattern can be found in Annie's Attic, Doilies in Color. That's where you can find the pattern. This doily, I'm going to have the tutorial probably the middle of January 2025. And let me show you the edging. I don't have enough space in my camera to show you the whole thing, but I have photos in my Facebook page if you want to go look it up. High definition photos. Let me show you. It's very pretty. It measures about 19 inches. Let me double check. Forget, I have so many doilies, I forget. Yeah, it is almost 20 inches. I made it in thread 10 with 1.65 millimeter hook. I believe I used Aunt Lydia thread because this doesn't look like the Hobby Lobby thread. This feels like Aunt Lydia. It's not bad. I chose that because of the color. I like Aunt Lydia's colors for doilies. I prefer the other one for the texture, but Aunt Lydia has nice colors. Here again. I hope you like it, and if you want to come back for the tutorial, probably the middle of January of 2025. So that's it. Okay, thank you for visiting, and see you in my next video.